Next, let's talk about the operating instructions for this product, as well as its overall structure. First, let's take a look at its assembly method. Normally, there is a box placed on top of this platform, and this stand holds the box. The stand is divided into two parts, front and back, with a certain height. As you can see, there is a circular hole, and then there are these supports on both sides. They provide support. Connect them together. This is for easier disassembly. If unnecessary to disassemble, let's weld it together, which will make it more sturdy. Then just drop the entire box on top like this. That's it. This is the bottom part, and then the top cover. The person is hidden inside this box with the cover on top, and the cover is atop that. We go above you. Rotate a turntable. What's the purpose of that? It's for rotating the dragon. And when it can go around the membrane, things can be added. These gears can be disassembled. And fixing the top is the same. Each one is fixed onto the shoe surface. And then below that, there's the bottom. We don't disassemble it, it's at the bottom. And when the cage is hung up, it has a set location. You can remove this clasp. Then the whole thing can be hung up. The lower part is still on this base. Then, how does the door open? Okay, great. If a person goes inside, dismantling the cage is the same. Divided into several pieces, including the top. Including the top. If it's not dismantled, it's all together. What's above? Inside here. Inside our cage, we can see several of these. See them? There are several of these pegs. What's their aim? Do you see this top cover? It's suctioned on top. When a person enters initially, this thing is suctioned onto the top. Then, do you see down here? This is solid. You can step on the side with your feet. It's really miserable. And this board can be slid over. Once it's slid over, people can directly enter this box. That's it. The stand-in can enter inside, or the performer can enter inside. And there are also stairs. If you need to escape using the stairs, you just push this. See it? Push this. Just go down to the stairs, see it? If you don't need to escape, you can just lie inside. And it's the same after you go in. Retrieve it. It's just covered up completely. Before covering it, however, you need to do one thing, because this cage needs to be suspended. Make sure that after it's suspended, the bottom of the cage is still there, making the audience think that this is the bottom of the cage. It's the bottom of the deaf person's cage. So before entering, you push it open. Before entering, make sure to pull this down. Let's take it out and have a look, because it has several positioning points. So it has a function as a track. Normally, it should be magnetic and attached to the top. Just pull it down. It becomes the bottom of this cage, because the whole cage is wrapped in black film. The audience cannot see inside, so the cage is dropped.